Today is the Welsh final at Llandrillo College of Junior Skill Build in Wales. There's 13 regional heats altogether, which ultimately lead to a national final in Scotland in October. And there's a competition called WorldSkills, and in 2009 it's in Calgary. So for these guys who do well at skill build, they get a chance to be in that squad and a chance to compete for their country.
The guys have been asked to make a frame of various butt joints. Within the frame they've got a door to fit which has got 2 hinges on it, and also skirting board to the side frame.
They've got to make sure they get things set out correctly to start off with. They've got to think through the process of what they're doing to make sure that they're working accurately and in a sequence.
They've been set a task of a 8x4 plasterboard, set by plans of different dimensions, measurements, involving beading, skimming, coving, and the final with a coving slab. It's a really high level, considering they're all first year, a lot higher than we expected. From previous competitions, they've been snapped up by employers because of the high standard they've achieved.
They've got, as I say, two bricks, 2 different types of bricks they've got to use. They have to build a straight wall, which is 6 bricks long. It's got an attached pier, so they've got to do some cutting of bricks, and they have to ensure that the wall is as accurate as they can. The tolerances they're working to are national standards. They are producing great quality work, which is what would be expected on the outside.
The task is set up on a board which is about 2.1 metres high, 1.2 wide, and basically they have to mark out various dimensions, put in semicircles and quarter circles, and they have to cut these in. It also involves a certain amount of papering, which again also has to be trimmed to size.
We're always looking for good apprentices to work in our industry, so it's quite interesting to see how they get on with their tasks.
And a basic introduction to the kids who come from school, so they have a taster of the different trades. We try to cover the major trades: brickwork, joinery, plastering. We also do tiling, a little bit of basic plumbing, and then we go into the theory side of it. The task for today is, well, to look at it, it's a basic shape of a house, and they're having to do different types of joinery cuts. There's setting out to specific measurements, and then there's the tiling that goes within the shape.